Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Space Scooter is probably one of the most exciting and innovative personal transportation devices to hit the market in years, offering a unique blend of electric assistance and manual propulsion that promises an exhilarating ride for users of all ages. Imagine gliding through your neighborhood or campus with effortless ease, powered by a silent electric motor, or engaging your body with a fun, scooter-like pumping motion that adds a touch of exercise to your commute. This versatile machine redefines urban mobility, making everyday travel feel less like a chore and more like an adventure, all while being environmentally friendly and incredibly fun to operate. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Rowing Machine. Elevate your rowing experience with 12 adjustable resistance levels. It's perfect for everyone, from beginners to advanced users, while safeguarding your joints. Experience a seamless and silent workout thanks to its hydraulic resistance system. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for compact living spaces, prioritizing noise control. Stay on top of your fitness journey with the digital monitor. Track your time, total count, and calories burned, and enjoy the convenience of the scan function. Engage your entire body, including arms, core, back, and legs, through a single, smooth rowing stroke. Transform your workout into an enjoyable, low-impact, full-body fat-burning experience. You can even watch your favorite shows while staying fit effortlessly. Tailor your workout by adjusting the pedal straps to your feet and leveling it to your space using the stabilizers. Indulge in a comfortable rowing experience with pivoting foot pedals, foam handlebars, and a cushioned seat designed for ergonomic support. What we like. This rower offers a wide range of resistance for all fitness levels. Its quiet operation is perfect for home use. If you are looking for a full-body workout that is easy on your joints and can be done without disturbing others, this is the one for you. What people say. The Space Scooter is a unique and fun way to get around, offering a different experience from traditional scooters. It's surprisingly stable and easy to maneuver, even for beginners. The folding mechanism is convenient for storage and transport. Number 4. Hurtle Renegade Kick Scooter. This scooter features a durable alloy deck, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It supports riders up to 220 pounds and is suitable for ages 8 and up. Enjoy a space-saving folding mechanism with foldable handles for easy storage and transport. It even comes with a carrying strap for ultimate portability. Experience smooth rides on various surfaces thanks to its durable wheels. The non-slip deck and front mudguard provide added stability. This scooter offers effortless control for smooth steering in any direction. The rear wheel foot brake with reflection ensures safe and easy stops. Customize your ride with a T-bar handlebar that adjusts to 3 different heights. A durable clamp collar ensures added strength and security. What we like. This scooter is built for durability and convenience. Its folding design makes it easy to store and transport. If you need a reliable scooter for commuting or casual rides, and value portability and ease of use, this is a great choice. What people say. The Space Scooter is a fun and unique way to get around, offering a great workout while you ride. Its innovative design allows for both scooting and walking, making it versatile for different terrains and preferences. The scooter is lightweight and foldable, which makes it easy to transport and store when not in use. Number 3. Gotrax K03 Kick Scooter for Kids. Watch their faces light up with excitement. These wheels glow brighter the faster they go, adding a fun and safe element to every adventure, day or night. Enjoy a super smooth ride thanks to premium bearings and durable wheels. The anti-slip deck and reliable rear brake ensure they can ride with confidence and stay safe. This scooter is designed to grow with your child. With an easily adjustable handlebar, it provides lasting comfort and fun for years to come. Taking it on the go is a breeze. It's incredibly lightweight and designed for easy portability, making it simple to store or take along on family trips. We stand behind the quality of this scooter. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer's assurance, ensuring it's built to last and provide endless fun. What we like. The glowing wheels add an element of fun and visibility. It's designed to grow with your child. If you want a scooter that is both exciting and safe for younger children, and you appreciate a lightweight, portable option, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The space scooter is a fun and unique way to get around, offering a great workout while you ride. Its innovative design allows for a smooth and stable ride, making it enjoyable for both kids and adults. The scooter is easy to assemble and operate, with a simple folding mechanism for convenient storage and transport. Number 2. Hover, 1 Ziggy folding kick scooter for kids. Introducing a scooter designed for safe and enjoyable rides. Its easy lean-to-steer mechanism and solid tires provide a smooth experience. Just kick off and go. This scooter is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 5.2 pounds, and supports up to 110 pounds. Its one-step folding system makes it simple to carry anywhere. We prioritize safety with features like multicolor LED wheels and stem. This ensures visibility in low light, making rides fun and secure for children over 5. The handlebar can be easily adjusted to match your child's height. Cushion grips offer maximum comfort and a secure hold during every ride. Forget about charging. This scooter runs on 6 AAA batteries, allowing for endless fun without interruption. Simply replace the batteries when needed. Ideal for adventures around the neighborhood or quick trips, this scooter is a fantastic Christmas or birthday gift. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor fun. What we like. This scooter offers an intuitive lean-to-steer mechanism for easy control. The LED lights enhance visibility and fun. If you are looking for a scooter that is simple to operate, safe for low light conditions, and incredibly easy to fold and carry, this is a fantastic option for kids. What people say. The space scooter is a fantastic way to get around, offering a unique and enjoyable riding experience. Its innovative design allows for a smooth and efficient ride, making it a great option for commuting or recreational use. The scooter is easy to assemble and operate, with intuitive controls that make it accessible for riders of all ages. Number 1. Sonic the Hedgehog 3-wheel kick scooter. Experience a ride like never before with its unique 3-wheel design. It's built for stability, ensuring a smooth journey on any surface. Say goodbye to worries about losing balance. This scooter is designed to stay upright on its own, making riding stress-free and fun. Mastering turns is a breeze with its easy tilt steering technology. Simply lean to steer and enjoy precise, effortless turns. Watch their eyes light up with excitement. Featuring bright LED lights in the wheels, this scooter adds an extra element of fun to every ride. Safety is paramount. It boasts an extra-wide, non-slip deck, comfortable handlebars, and a rear foot brake for a secure and enjoyable experience. Designed for kids and toddlers aged 3 and up, with a weight limit of 75 pounds. It's the perfect gift for any young fan. What we like. Its unique 3-wheel design provides exceptional stability. The self-balancing feature makes it very easy to ride. If you have younger children or toddlers who are new to scooting and you prioritize safety and ease of use, this scooter is ideal for them to build confidence. What people say. The space scooter is a fun and unique way to get around, offering a great workout while you ride. Its innovative design allows for both scooting and gliding, providing a versatile and enjoyable experience. The scooter is easy to assemble and operate, making it accessible for riders of all ages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.